We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 16 screen not responding to touch. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be inconvenient when this goes and happens because you're then unable to go and use it. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing it. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this. So to go and fix this, a forced restart should be able to go and fix it. It always has done for me. So to get started with that, we're going to guide you through the combination. You don't need to use the screen, as of course you can't. So what you need to do is press the volume increase, decrease, and then we tap and hold the side button here. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now, depending upon the situation, your screen may not change at all. If it doesn't, don't worry. Still follow those steps and keep that side button held down. Shortly, it should go black. Keep it held down. We're only going to release when you see the Apple icon like so. Now wait. It's now back on and hopefully that'll solve it. Leave a like if you found this useful.